While the mainstream news is showing you explosions in the Middle East, they're missing the actual explosion happening in the Strait of Hormuz energy markets. This isn't just a war story. It's a supply chain collapse that is about to make your grocery bill and your gas prices decouple for the first time in a decade. Here is exactly how the 2026 geopolitical risk is being priced into your daily life. In 2026, we are seeing the stagflation challenge. The Fed is stuck. If they cut rates to help the midterms, inflation spikes because of the Iran conflict. If they hold, the housing market dies. I've spent 48 hours reading the latest FOMC dissents. 3 members are screaming, hold. This is the most division we've seen since 2019. Don't follow the herd into safety. Look at resource independence. The US is aggressively cutting China out of rare earths. If you weren't looking at domestic mining permits issued this month in Nevada, you're missing the biggest wealth transfer of the decade.